We be rising in the backyard garden. It is harvest season, so join me while we get these beautiful carrots, beets, these huge gourds as long as my leg, and lots of squashes. I counted 30 so far, and there's still more on the vines and on the ground. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I want to show you what I've been up to. So this whole chest freezer I'm about to open is full of zucchinis and tomatoes right down to the bottom. This whole video doesn't really do justice because I gave tons away to family, friends, and neighbors just because this freezer is already full, and got another freezer, which I'm going to show you, which is full as well of tomatoes. So this one here is also full right to the back of tomatoes. So yeah, it's, and I still have so much more to freeze and give away. As you can see, the zucchini plants are nearing the end. They're not doing as good as earlier in the season, obviously. And the kale is still going strong. But we're gonna be harvesting the beets over here and the carrots. And I'm excited to see what those look like. Still got a few more cucumbers on the vine here, so I did leave these guys. They're looking pretty good too. There's still some big ones on here. There's the last of the zucchini haul. Amazing. And the neighbors, in exchange for zucchini, they gave us these beautiful apples that are so good. Look how beautiful this one is. Man, the beets did actually really well this year. I have just so many. It's gonna be great. All right, this is how we did. We got a whole box full of beets, and they're looking really nice and big. Also have another bin full of carrots. Here's some more carrots, more beets, and again more carrots. These bottle gourds are getting so heavy that they're just dropping like that. All right, I think I'm gonna leave a few squashes on the vine just so they can get a little bit more yellow, and we'll continue to harvest some of these bigger ones. Hey, Lucky! That's really cool. I'm thinking of still leaving some in here. Like the stem is still green. I might leave some in here. Oh, this is a beauty. This butternut squash? Oh yeah. Some made it all the way to the fence here. That little guy. That's a spaghetti squash. That's a butternut. So these are all the carrot stems. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I know some people make really good paste with them. I'll see what I do with those. But check out. These are all spaghetti squash and butternut squash. And I have about 5 downstairs. So I'm guessing I have just over 30 because I'm leaving some more in the ground and on the vine. So yeah, well over 30 spaghetti squash and butternut squash. That is amazing. It's gonna be so good for winter. I just noticed this little sunflower that has, I didn't even notice it all year, but it has come up here. Like, what a surprise. Just peeking its head out. And just came out of nowhere. This might be the most beautiful one yet. Found a few more spaghetti squash and butternut. And I'm starting to clean up the garden. So got a bunch of boxes here, and I'm stuffing the zucchini plants. Wonderful zucchini plants in the boxes for yard waste. I'm just taking a break with a berry smoothie. Nice and hydrating on this nice warm fall day. And starting to clean up all the zucchini plants, which there is a lot, but it's looking pretty nice now. I have one big box, another box, another box, another box. Look at that. That's a lot of zucchini plants. And I think I'll need a lot more boxes for cleaning up this whole area and all of that. So, staying hydrated. I just wanted to give you guys a flashback for all the delicious food from the garden this past season, from fresh tomatoes to fresh dill, all the fresh cucumbers, the cucumber salad. Check out the link for this recipe above, as well as the radish, potato, dill salad. And this recipe I'll link above as well. You guys remember all the fresh radishes? They were delicious. Lentil pasta, all the fresh tomatoes, the endless amount of stir-fry zucchinis. Never got sick of that. And stay tuned for an upcoming borscht recipe. This one has all the garden beets, carrots, tomatoes, dill, spinach. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more health and wellness videos. As always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh food, be getting in some nature, and be getting in some fresh air and sunshine. When you do that, we'll all be rising.